नमस्कार, तुम्ही पळयतात प्रायम राजकारण. हरशीं सरकारान आशिल्ल्या मनशान सरकारा विरुद्ध उलोवचें न्हय अशें कन्वेन्शन आसता. ताणें कितें जाल्यार सरकाराक वाटोवपाचें, आपलो सरकार कसो बरो काम करता तें सांगपाचें आनी लोकांक कशेंय करून फुडले फावटी आपल्याच पक्षाक मत मार हाचें कन्विन्स करपाचें. पूण असो एक मनीस आसा, असो एक आमदार आसा जो सद्या उपसभापती आसा, डेप्युटी स्पीकर आसा, जो सरकाराच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयता. उलयले फावटी अगेन्स्ट उलयता, सपोर्टाक उलयना. कित्याक सरकाराच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयता? मंत्री जावपाक जाय म्हूण सरकाराच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयता, गोंया खातीर सरकाराच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयता, काय स्वताच्या राजकारणा खातीर स्वताच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयता? ह्या विशयाचेर आयचो एपिसोड आसा आनी आमचे बरोबर आसा मायकल लोबो, कळंगूटचे आमदार आनी उपसभापती गोवा विधानसभेचे. येवकार सर तुमकां. जशी तुम्ही जाणा, ही कार्यावळ आम्ही GR कारे कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ हांच्या जोडपालवान घडोवन हाडटा. ही कार्यावळ आम्ही तांच्या मूट कोर्ट सभाघरान शूट करता. हो कोर्टाचो जो सेट आसा तो कोर्टाचो अपमान करपा खातीर न्हय, जाल्यार एक रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह सेट आसा. ह्या कार्यावळीचे 3 भाग आसता. एक म्हणजे हांव एंकर, जो ही कार्यावळ फुडें व्हरतलो. आरोप घालता उपरांत परत त्या आरोपांक फुडें व्हरतलो आनी आमच्या गेस्टांक आरोपाक विशयी विचारतलो. दुसरो आसता तो म्हणजे जज. हे फावटी आमचे जज आसा ते वेदाक्ष रायकर, ह्याच कॉलेजीचे विद्यार्थी. आनी सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचे म्हणजे विद्यार्थी जे हांगा प्रश्न विचारतले. कारे कॉलेज ऑफ लॉचे हांगा विद्यार्थी आसा. तर ही कार्यावळ फुडें वतना पयलो आरोप.
Mr. Michael Lobo, you are charged with an allegation that you just blackmailed to get cabinet berth.
हे सगळे जे तुमचे चल्ला पळय न्ही, ते जस्ट टू गेट अ कॅबिनेट बर्थ. तुमकां जर मंत्री केल्ले जाल्यार मायकल लोबो बाकीच्या प्रमाणे सुशेगाद आसता आशिल्ले, कॅबिन घेवन सुशेगाद आनी सगळे फॅसिलिटीज.
It's a wrong allegation, and I say it is a wrong allegation for one reason, that I have the cautions which I bring before the assembly, before the chief minister, before the ministers and the government is of the people. लोकांनी जो आमकां निवडून दिल्लो आहा 2012 वा तेजे पयले पासून एज ZP आमी प्रश्न काडले लोकांचे, आनी लोकांचे प्रश्न काडपाक रायट दिल्लो आहा आमकां सभागृहान, एसेंब्लीन. आनी प्रत्येक आमदार, तो आमदार पयली, मंत्री मागीर, जे कितें रॉंग आहा ते फुडें व्हरपाचें न्हू, की आदल्या मंत्रीन हें रॉंग केलां म्हणून आपूण हें तशें करतलो आनी पॉयंट आवट ताका दाखोवप रॉंग.
फॅक्ट की जेन्ना इलेक्शन जालें ताच्या पयलीं आमी स्वता आयकलां, जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्री तेन्ना आशिल्ले डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर, तुमी सभा घेतली पर्रा आनी थंय तांणी सांगलें फाल्यां जर गव्हर्मेंट जालें जाल्यार तुमचो मायकल मंत्रिमंडळान आसतलो, आनी तुमी बरे खूश आशिल्ले तेन्ना.
मंत्रिमंडळान आसतलो आनी नासतलो, आमचे येयले 13 आमदार. 13 आमदारान सरकार घडोवप कितले कठीण आसलें ते आमी जाणा आसले तेन्ना. पण सरकार घडलें. अशें न्हू की हांव एकटोच केपेबल आसलो, म्हाज्या वांगडा आनी खूब जाण केपेबल आसले. पण गोंया खातीर जे आमी काम करता, मंत्री आसलो पासून अशेंच काम करपाक जाय. जो तर खंय रॉंग जाता जाल्यार आमी सांगून दिवपाक जाय, पयले बरे भाशेन सांगपाक जाय. आयकना जाल्यार मिडिया वाटेनसून जी आमकां एक माध्यम आहा तितूनसून सांगपाक जाय लोकांक की हे रॉंग जाता.
बेसीक प्रश्न तो आसा की मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी तेन्ना म्हटिल्लें की आपल्याक मंत्रिमंडळान घेता, हें मनान तुमच्या खंय तरी आसतलें.
तशें कांय ना. लोकांनी निवडून दिल्लो आहा लोकांचें काम करपाक. मंत्रिमंडळान येवंक ना जाल्यार कितें, आमची कामां सगळीं जाता एज अ कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. बट फॉर गोवा द थिंग्स हॅव टू हॅपन.
सो आतां
गोवा म्हणजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो आमदार कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो मिनिस्टर जावंक शकना, गोंयचो मिनिस्टर जावपाक जाय. आयज खुबशे आमी पळयल्ले आहा की आपले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी खातीरूच काम करता, गोंया खातीर काम करपाक जाय. आनी
तुमचे
मंत्री म्हाका जावपाक जाय अशें नाच. मंत्री जाल्यार आनी काम जावंक शकता जाल्यार करतलो हांव. पण आयचे तारखेन खंय हांव हे की गोंया खातीर खंयचो मंत्री काम करता म्हणून सांग म्हाका, तूं दाखय. आय एम स्टील पुटिंग द एलिगेशन ऑन द गव्हर्मेंट टुडे.
तुमीच सुरू केला
ना, आमी चालू आयज बसून आहा. हे आमचे चालूच आसतले. जे आमची फायट आहा गोंया खातीर, जे लोक म्हणटा आमी गोंय सांबाळपाक जाय, आमी गोंया खातीर कितें तरी करपाक जाय, आमी वी हॅव टू डू समथींग डिफरंट फॉर गोवा. वी हॅव टू ब्रिंग इन द चेंज वीच इज रिक्वायर्ड, which this youth of today are thinking that we should ride bike safely without a pothole. आम्ही म्हणटा एक्सिडेंट जाले, पॉट होल हा इतले रोडांचेर एक्सिडेंट जातले. ना ना, आय एम नॉट पुटिंग एलिगेशन.
यू हॅव मेड दिस इज पासिंग स्टेटमेंट केलो तुम्ही, विच इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, की गोयचो खंयचो मंत्री दाखय म्हणटा तुम्ही जो काम करता.
ना, काम करपाकूच जाय म्हणटा ते खातीर तेंका परतून परतून जागोवपाचें काम आमचें. तुम्ही म्हटले आमदाराचें काम, लोकांचें काम. लोक उलयताच, एनजीओ उलयता, एनजीओ उलयतना थोडे जाण बेजार जाता, पूण हांव कितें म्हणटा, जर तर तें सारकें काम आहा जाल्यार we have to take cognizance of that.
Now you are going
आयज हांव आत्तां उलयला हेचेर roads safety comes first. We have to give them safe roads. हांव म्हणा तुका सारके इतलो बरो स्मूथ कर की डबल कोट हॉट मिक्स, but at least those potholes which are there has to be filled up. Those speed breakers have to be marked. Some boards have to be put that there is a speed breaker ahead. हे basic amenities आयज आमचे हितून ना. सो आम्ही मागताय, हांव एलिगेशन खंयच्या मंत्र्याचेर करिना, पण this has to happen. This is the change which our youth are looking at, which our elders are looking at. Everybody is on a bike or a car today. And this is one aspect I'm talking like this. There are so many other things which have to be done for the state of Goa. For that I am fighting, and my fight will continue. Even if I become the chief minister, I have to speak to this, that all the other ministers have to do the work for the people of Goa.
Even if I become a chief minister.
Even if I become a chief minister, I will start. I will continue my fight for Goa.
ते आसा तुमच्या लिस्टान.
Of course, प्रत्येक आमदाराच्या मनान हा की आपण कोण तरी जावचो. आयज जर हांव मंत्री जावंक नाल्यार मुख्यमंत्री जावंक शकता, कित्याक जावंक शकना.
ओके, अगेन सेम थिंग तुम्ही स्टेटमेंट केलो, आज एक मंत्री दाखय जो काम करता म्हणून. Do you stick to the statement?
काम करता सगळे जाण, बट लोकां खातीर काम करता ते इम्पॉर्टंट आहा.
आता तुम्ही changing your statement.
See, I am not putting a direct allegation on anybody. I am saying that we all have to work for the people of Goa. आमकां निवडून दिल्ल्या, पूण कामां जाता काय, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ द पीपल मे बी बिग, but at least some part of it is happening or not happening.
This is a problem with Michael Lobo.
Yes.
Every time you come with a bang, 2-3 दिसांनी पळयत जाल्यार मागीर वारे वता ते फुग्या.
ना, वारे कशे वयचे ना. आमी कामां करून दाखयल्ली आहा, जी कामां इम्पॉसिबल आहा ती कामां केल्ली आहा आमी फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. तूं सांग म्हाका, आख्खे गोंयान आयज मारगांवचेच उलोवया, ही आख्खी गार्बेज जी जनरेट जाता ह्या हितून ती खंय वयता सांग म्हाका. तूं ह्या कॉलेजीन जी गार्बेज जनरेट जाता ती खंय वयता? ओती व्हरोन उडयता, सोंसड्यार उडयता. आमच्या वाठारान येवन पळय, आमी गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट हाडलो फॉर द कोस्टल बेल्ट ऑफ गोवा. खंय हाडला आख्ख्या गोंयान? हू वॉन्ट्स टू पुट अप दिस? Nobody wants to put up this.
So again I am
talking. So nobody is interested to bring in the change which is required. So who has to bring in the change? Who? They have elected us, so we have to bring the change. So I have brought it in my constituency. For whom? Not only for my constituency, for the neighboring constituency also. आयज आमचे ते लोक चिंता की ना तो गार्बेज प्लांट हा थिंगा व्हरून डंप कर म्हणून. What is the meaning of that?
So basically BJP led government has failed.
कोण सांगता तुका?
तूच सांगता
ना. ते चेंज हाडचे पडटले. इवन आमदार जो काँग्रेसीचो आहा तेणे वयचे पडटले, गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन बसचे पडटले, प्रश्न मांडचे पडटले असेंब्लीन, ते पास करून घेवचे पडटले आणि करचो पडटलो तो प्लान.
विजय म्हणटा Michael is frustrated because he didn't get a minister.
See, people will talk. Even the day you will remember these words, what you are saying today. Even if I become a minister or become a CM, I will still talk the same language till the change comes. Till the change comes. Change has to come.
So
that is why I am fighting. No, I am not frustrated. I will never get frustrated.
तेंडुलकर म्हणटा, मायकल लोबो म्हणटा की मायनिंग सुरू जायना जाल्यार रेजिग्नेशन दितलो.
You look at my statement. I am ready to resign along with everyone. I am not from the mining belt. No. See, listen to my statement. I said that I am not from the mining belt. माझो statement पळय न्हू तूं. हांव mining beltaचो न्हू, पण हांव coastal beltaचो. But we are affected as Goa. Our treasury is affected. Our economy is affected. For that, I am ready to resign along with other MLAs. Let them start it. No. जे कोण आयज ह्या प्रॉब्लमान येयल्ले आहा कोस्ट मायनिंग बेल्ट MLAs, they have to start. We are ready to back them.
Okay,
in any which ways.
Yeah, let me ask. Do you even remember how many times कितले फावटी तुम्ही सांगले की हांव रिजाइन करता म्हणून? in this tenure only.
Of course, I have said this 2 times. One, during the agitation of taxi, which I said that if I can't postpone this thing,
Not
speed government.
You said solve.
Yeah, solve. 1 year we got extension. So now if the center is not giving, is it my fault? My job as a legislator of Calangute constituency, I am not the minister for transport.
So
but I have done it. No, but you tell me who else has done it for the state of Goa. Who has postponed that thing from 2013?
So okay,
2000 not 13, 15.
So now
onwards we are postponing.
There is a general perception की मायकल लोबोक समज कितें म्हणपाचें आसत जाल्यार तो व्हडलो बोवाळ करता आणि मागीर सोडून दिता. गार्बेजीचे सोडून दिले, गार्बेजीचे सोडून दिले, टॅक्सीचे सोडून दिले, मायनिंगाचे सोडून दिले.
गार्बेजीचे कित्याक सोडले म्हणटा तूं? प्लांट कोणे घातलो?
गोवा दॅट ग्रेटर पीडीएचे सोडून दिले.
गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट आम्ही घातलो आणि बरो चलता
आताचे.
आयज
बीच क्लिनिंग गार्बेज.
No, beach cleaning garbage contract is back again given to Drishti, which I wanted. Why? Because they were doing a effective job. But तेंच्या वांगडा आनीक 2 जाणांकूय घातले, तेंका काडपाक जाय.
You said, remember, you said
solid waste management corporationakूच येवंक जाय तो. Is my statement. I stand by it till today.
You change your stand.
No. It's not. I have not changed my stand. Solid waste management corporation is formed for that purpose.
So दृष्टीक दिलो. Why you didn't object now?
अरे दृष्टीक दिलो म्हणजे दृष्टी कडेन पयलोसून आहा तो. दृष्टीक काडलो आणि कोण 200 लेबरर्स हाडले आनी घातले.
तांचेच आशिल्ले ते दृष्टीचे.
Wrong. You understand that thing first. Tourism department wanted to float a tender by themselves, some 15 crores, where Drishti today is removing the same job. They are doing the same job for 8 crores. So this is the same thing we discussed in the assembly during 2012 to 2015. There was a hue and cry, front page news, Lokayukta case. अशेच ज्या फुडल्यान केसी चालू आल्यो, हायकोर्टान केसी चालू आल्यो, सेम मॅटर. So I brought it to the notice that this is the only industry which is surviving in Goa, that is tourism. Mining kabar zale. Other businesses are very.
So Drishti was given contract by tourism only.
Long back.
Yeah.
So
they are still continuing.
No, they are given only for a quarter. Every quarter it is being renewed. So permanent contract has to be given to the person who will be the L1, but that tender process has to be done by Solid Waste Management Corporation, which is being formed for this purpose.
Okay, हे जाल्ले आसा. Now coming to general allegation की मायकल लोबोक मंत्री जावपा जाय म्हणून हे सगळे वयर काडटा.
तरी तेच सांगता तू.
जावपाचो ना.
हांव एक सांगता तुका.
चान्स दिले गे.
फुडे आमी जे रेशन आसतले ते मंत्री जे आसचे ना, आमी मुख्यमंत्री जे रेशन आसतले. आता डायरेक्ट सांगता तुका. मुख्यमंत्री हय फुडे जे आसतले म्हणजे दिस इज माय सेकंड टर्म. सो दिस टर्म यू कॅन नेवर नो वेदर इट विल एंड आफ्टर अनदर 3 years or it will end now with all this political turmoil which is happening in Goa. So next term we will be in the race of CM. Ata next CM would be Michael Lobo. Not now. I said next term. Not next CM. Not next CM. Next term. Next term could end in another 6 months also. There may be election with MP election. So you are in the race. General election. Minister. I am not in the race of minister. What you are saying is totally wrong. Chief Minister's prerogative is there to make anybody as a minister. He did not make me. I am not happy. See, you say something मागीर ना म्हणटा. आता म्हटलं next term आपण chief minister असू शकता. Chief minister. No. Next term I said I am in the race of CM. आता तेच विचारलं हांवें. No, you said minister. Chief minister. No, chief minister I am there. You are there. Yes, in the race on BJP ticket. Now why you are asking me which ticket? Acha. That is my prerogative to decide. Not on BJP ticket. No, I am not saying. I may be on BJP ticket. I may be with a new party, or I may be with Goa Forward. I may be with Congress. I may be with NCP. Any even Congress would do. See, where we will get 22 numbers, I will be there. So for you only power matters. No power. No, I want to deliver to the people of Goa.
बाकीचे
See, when you are in power, you deliver to the people of Goa. Where you are in opposition, you have to see that whatever wrong is happening or whatever is required for the state of Goa, you have to bring it out and show to the government and the people.
You are sending a signal through this program to your BJP guys की आपले काम कर ना झालं पळय आपण असे करू शकता.
तशें ना तें.
या
सी आमी जेन्ना काम करता आमी लोकां खातीर काम करता. आमी सेल्फिश मनीस न्हू. थोडे जाण आपल्या खातीर काम करता, आमी लोकां खातीर काम करता. आनी हे स्पश्टपणी आमी दाखयल्लें आहा. Whether it is development, whether it is development on front of education, whether it is garbage treatment plant, whether it is beach development, सगळे आमी काम करून दाखयल्लें आहा लोक.
So आरोपाचे
opportunity for the youth to start their own businesses, that also we have
to take a break म्हणून सांगता. Before we end, क्वेश्चन आसतलो आफ्टर दिस ब्रेक ऑन दिस, बट बिफोर वी एंड, आरोप तुम्ही मान्य करना आपल्याक मिनिस्टर जावपाक करना, बट ऑन द अदर एंड आपल्याक सीएम जावपाचो आसा.
ऑफकोर्स
डायरेक्ट
सीएम जावपाचो डायरेक्ट ना. हांवें तुका सांगलां नेक्स्ट टर्मिंग वी विल बी देर समवेर वेर वी विल गेट 22 numbers. I will be there in a party
which gets maximum number.
Will gets 22 seats.
Okay.
We will ask this from the people of Goa. If you can't deliver us these 22 seats, we put us in opposition. We will work as constructive opposition.
We will come to that also. लोकांनी घातलेले तुमका opposition, but you came backdoor in this thing. We are heading for a short break. You are watching Prime Rajkaran. We are with us Calangute MLA Michael Lobo. We will be back after this short break.
This is Info Media Prime Slot Network, and you're watching Prime. Your voice, your channel.
नमस्कार, परत एकदा येवकार तुमकां. तुम्ही पळयतात प्रायम राजकारण. आमचे बरोबर आसा कळंगूटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो. आत्ता तांणी सांगलें की मुख्यमंत्र्याचे रेसीन ते फुडले फावटी आसूं शकता. ह्या विशयी प्रश्न कोणाक आसा जाल्यार?
आय एम ध्रुवा नायक फ्रॉम सेकंड इयर BA LLB studying in GR Kare College of Law. So my question to you is, will you stop making all the allegations if you are inducted into the cabinet?
No, likewise I just said, just now I was arguing with him that I am elected by the people of Goa. My constituency is there only, but when you get elected, you are the MLA of Goa, Legislative Assembly, but you are representing Goa, maybe one constituency, but you have to bring the cautions of the people of Goa, not only of your constituency. When we are talking as a state of Goa. So state of Goa has many problems today, whether it is mining, whether it is tourism, whether it is hinterland tourism, whether it is any other thing, roads, safety, so many things are there. So these are all the issues which we have to bring to the notice of the government. We have to go on hitting it hard till you get these issues resolved. So even if I become a minister or a chief minister, I have to again and again remind my other colleagues that this is the job which we had promised the people of Goa and still not solved. So my fight for Goa will continue.
मिनिस्टर जाला तरी झगडटलो.
Of course.
चीफ मिनिस्टर जाल्यार तर सामकोच झगडटलो.
100% झगडप ना ते आमचे कलिग्जांक घेवन काम करप. तांकां परतून एक हॅमर कसो मारता जज टाक करून सगळे जाण उगी रावता, पण हॅमर मारून तांकां जागोवप.
हॅमर मारतना हॅमर कुशीक दवरता
ना, जागोवप आनी काम करून घेवप.
ओके,
so this is what is important.
ओके, दुसरा
Second allegation on you is you masterminded to form the government against a public mandate.
तुम्ही म्हटले फुडले फावटी जर 22 सीट आयले जाल्यार आमी सरकार करतले, ना जाल्यार ओपोजिशनान बसतले. कोणाचे आमी आयकू शकता, तुमचे कडल्यान आयकू शकना, एस्पेशली मायकल लोबो कडल्यान आयकू शकना. कारण हे जेन्ना जालें, इलेक्ट जावन आयले तुमी भायर, तेन्ना तुमी पयलींच सांगलें रिजल्टा पयलींच आमी विजय सरदेसाया कडेन उलयल्लें म्हणून की गव्हर्मेंट करता जाल्यार आमकां सपोर्ट कर म्हणून.
See, to form the government, what had to be done at that particular time we have done. सेंटराक BJP आसलो, काँग्रेसीक 17 सीट दिल्ले, BJPक 13 दिल्ले. So if Congress had to get 21 and if you had to break that, then it is wrong, beyond the principle. At that particular time, mandate was for Congress म्हणूंक जाताले. गोवा फॉरवर्डाक 3 दिले, MGक 3 दिले. सो तेंचे 6 जाले, आमी 13 जाले.
मॅन्डेट तुमकांय नाशिल्ली
ना. मॅन्डेट आमकां कोणाकूय गव्हर्मेंट करूंक जातालो. गव्हर्मेंट करूंक जातालो काँग्रेसीक, गव्हर्मेंट करूंक जातालो BJPक. सो आयदर वन. So we also tried and we got the numbers.
See, my question is very simple.
Yeah.
Result पयली तुमका खबर आशिल्ले, you went and met विजय सरदेसाय. So तांचे मातशे इवन जर हांगा सुद्धा थंय आशिल्ले जाल्यार सुद्धा तुम्ही खंयच्यान गव्हर्नमेंट करपाचे.
Every MLA who is getting elected on a ticket, party ticket, have to see the interest of the party to form the government before election, after election. So before election विजय सरदेसाय कडेन मुख्यमंत्री उलयल्लो, हांवूय उलयल्लो, लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकरूय उलयल्लो, सगळे जाण उलयल्ले. ते सायडीन काँग्रेसचो दिगंबर कामतूय उलयल्लो, चर्चिल उलयल्लो. I don't know whether Louisian spoke, but
तुझी भाषा चड कळी दिसता ताका.
ना तशें कांयच ना.
बिकॉज दे मायकल आयल्लो आपल्या कडेन म्हूण तेन्नाच्यान सुरू जालें दे ओन रिकॉर्ड.
No, but I said that we will form a very good government which will do some work. But unfortunately आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर मातसो सीक जालो. खुबशीं कामां पेंडींग आहा, which I am still raising every now and then.
Okay, we'll come to that. Again, लोकांनी विश्वास कित्याक दवरचो? बिकॉज यू ऑल हॅव अ हॅबिट ऑफ बीइंग इन पावर. यू ऑल डजंट, तुमकां ऑपोजिशन बसपाचेंच ना.
सी, हांवें आत्तां सांगलें तुका, फुडल्या फावटी मॅन्डेट मागतना लोकां कडेन आख्खें गोंयभर भोंवतलो हांव. आय वील गो, आय वील कम इवन टू कुंकोली एंड मारगांव ऑल्सो. वी वील आस्क द पीपल दॅट दीस इज काउंटेड इन आवर 22 numbers. Sure seats जे are 22 or 23, we will ask the people that you bring us to power and we will solve all the issues of Goa, all the problems of Goa जे आयज आमी एड्रेस करता अजून पासून. So you require a person and a team who will solve the people of the issues and the problems of the people of Goa. So we will
then will be different.
I am putting my mind, my idea before you today. This is the idea for the future. 23 seats येयना, तुका comfortable जो तर margin ना, the mandate ना, जाल्यार तू आयज जो government जाता, you have to listen to MGP, you have to listen to Goa Forward, you have to listen to independents also. So you can't go with तुझे मनान कितें आहा तें करूंक शकना तूं. Somebody puts a brake somewhere. So it is next to impossible, like with this situation, to put up another garbage treatment plant. So that time the garbage treatment plant came to Calangute is only because of this reason. 155 crores मोडले, private party मोडले plus government and मोडले to set up that plant. So similar like that in Sonsoda, if it has to come, you have to have a clear mandate of the people, clear seats, clear majority in the legislative assembly to pass such amendments and bills.
तुमका दिसता ना, if you go to see, of course there is unfortunate incident of CM's health issue, but otherwise do you repent की government आमी करपाचे आनी आमी opposition बसपाचे?
तशें कांय ना तें.
होय.
There is no repent. When you take a decision to form a government and if other like-minded people and individuals are with you, you have to go ahead and form it. There is no caution of repenting.
So you are not repenting for?
No, we are not repenting. We are not repenting, but we have to deliver. Lot of promises were made. Goa Forward Party आपले promises manifestoचेर घातलेले, आमच्या MGP पार्टीन घातलेले आणि BJPनूय घातलेले, काँग्रेसीनूय घातलेले. So promises are made on the manifesto which has to be delivered to the people of Goa. Beyond those promises also there are some expectations from the youth of Goa. Unemployment is one of the biggest issues. This we have to see how we can resolve.
Who do you blame right now for all these things?
There is nobody to be blamed. All these things had to happen as happened. But we have to overcome this. We cannot say that आमी आता सोडटा म्हणून, आमी आता कामयाब जावंक ना, आमी we have remained behind. No, we have to go.
Do you feel
forward.
CM should resign and get someone else so that तुमची कामां चालू उरतले?
CM, if he cannot continue in this his health, if he really says that he cannot continue anymore, he need not resign. He can give charge of the chief minister or make a deputy chief minister and give him charge and say that major decisions you come and consult me and run the government.
Who could be that deputy chief minister?
With a coalition government like this, it is difficult to ascertain.
Wait, there's a problem with you.
Coalition government.
That is a
difficult
problem.
to ascertain. Difficult to, because everybody has to say yes. MGP party has to say yes, Goa Forward has to say yes, independents have to say yes. They have given support to this government. They have given support to this government.
So have you started ascertaining at least ki baba wo kaito?
See, if there is a replacement in the near future, then it will be a chief minister from the BJP only. Maximum opposition, the coalition partners who are there, that is MGP and Goa Forward Party, would be deputy chief minister.
So
on both
you
sides.
don't want Vijay Sardesai to be chief minister, Sudhin Dhawlikar to be chief minister?
No, this is every political party in India will think in this direction. Every political, especially when we are at the center.
I'm asking to Michael Lobo. Do you want Vijay Sardesai or Sudhin
You are
Dhawlikar to be
asking
chief
me a
minister?
question where I will be enemy of one of the coalition if I take one name. So I'm not taking any name.
म्हणून तिसरंच कोणाचे नाव घातले.
ना तशें ना.
So what is
आमच्या
in your
पार्टीचे
mind?
सांगलें हांवें.
You are frank.
See,
you are
in
always
this-
frank
No,
politician.
no. In this situation, the chief minister will be of BJP. If Manohar Parrikar resigns or something
The
happens,
difference is will be of BJP, okay, or you want it to be of BJP?
anything can happen. Tomorrow, we can all decide that Vijay Sardesai should be the chief minister of the state.
Without joining BJP.
You can never know. We can say that MGP Sudhin Dhawlikar can become. I'm
आता
just giving you example.
Balancing करता, you are trying to balance.
No, this is
Basically-
this is a pure political question you are asking me, which is difficult to answer. If I take one name, that means I am siding that party or that person. I am not siding anybody
No,
over
I
here.
want you to
I am
give
saying
honest
that
answer.
if chief minister has to resign, or he has to leave it, or he has to something happens, so the next step is BJP. One of the BJP legislator will become the chief.
Michael Lobo always speaks of delivery, but when it comes to politics, हे उलोवपा लागता की ना ताकाय वाट दिसुना काकाय वाट दिसुना.
Prashant, not that.
Who
See,
is
we
the
are
chief
all
minister?
colleagues in the house. We are all colleagues in the house. Whenever I fight also for the people of Goa, that person, that minister or whoever must be getting angry on me, but I do not care because I am talking for the people of Goa. When you are talking for the people of Goa, you should not think
So
about
my
it.
question still remains: who is eligible to be chief minister of Goa?
Eligibility सगळ्यांना तशें काय ना ते. It all depends who is going to be crowned the prince at that particular time.
Everyone is eligible.
Everybody is eligible.
प्रसाद गांवकर धरून.
They सगळे are eligible.
Everyone is eligible.
They are independent. They can't become the chief minister.
They are part
Who
of
can-
your government.
See, who can become is either from Goa Forward, either from MGP, or one person from the BJP.
Rohan Khawte cannot become a chief.
No, he cannot become. He is one entity. That is, he's an independent.
You
entity.
also personally don't like him.
No, he is my colleague. He is my friend.
We are coming to that. It seems you are also trying to contest against him in his own constituency.
No, no,
that,
no.
but
Wrong
again,
news.
again, back to that. In these circumstances, you feel delivery is not important, but BJP should make their own chief minister.
Why you are saying delivery is not important? Right now we are having a chief minister, Manohar Parrikar. After him, party will decide, and according to me, the chief minister will be from the party only.
From the BJP only. Okay, question.
So I'm Astrid Fernandez from GR Carey College of Law, studying in second year BLLB. My question to you is, wasn't it good enough to sit in the opposition form of government rather than forming this kind of government?
It is a very good question what you have asked. At that particular time, when the results came out, any political party brings their legislators together and decides the leader of the legislature wing, whoever has won. Supposing Congress 17 numbers have won, one of them would become the leader. To choose the leader, it took 48 hours and still they could not choose the leader. You understood what I am saying? Means they have to come within 2 hours or 3 hours together and choose a leader, which takes maximum 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Meeting can take 1 hour, but to choose a leader takes 5 minutes or 5 seconds also. So we chose a leader in 5 seconds. Without Manohar Parrikar being the being a legislator, since our chief minister lost, the sitting chief minister lost, that is Lakshmikant Parsekar, so we asked Manohar Parrikar whether he would be interested in coming back to Goa and run the state as a chief minister. He said yes, if you all want me to come. So we 13 legislators decided that he is the leader of the 13 group of 13, which Congress could not decide for 48 hours. So after that, MGP gave us the support letter, Goa Forward Party gave us the support letter, Independents gave us the support letter, and we went first to the governor.
Okay, one
And
thing.
till then, Congress was sitting till 11 o'clock at night in the CLP meeting and could not decide the
Okay, Lobo,
leader.
one thing, you are lying.
Why?
कित्याक सांगता? You are telling them a big lie.
Tell me.
Election जेन्ना run up आशिल्ले, Gadkari addressed a press conference. He said, if required, we will bring a leader from the center to make a chief minister. So
that is what you are talking is Gadkari's speech.
Listen.
What we discussed among the 13 legislators
No, that
is
was
separate.
decided and you are just pretending to have been discussed. Secondly, Vasco jenna meeting zali, again Amit Shah said कि if required, we will get leader from the center. आता एक तरी श्रीपाद नाईक किंवा मनोहर पर्रीकर and make him chief minister. So ही सगळी जी नंतरची जाले पळय just a formality. That's why 5 minutes कित्याक 1 minute 1 second was 5 second कित्याक
See,
1 second was
important
required.
is to have the leader of the legislature wing, which Congress could not come out for the next
do
48
you
hours.
admit that you all are lying right now? You all are decided earlier only to make chief minister as Manohar Parrikar.
No. How? That
How?
means we knew first only that Parsekar was losing.
As if then Amit Shah
रिझल्ट येयलो पार्सेकर पडलो तेन्ना डिसिजन जालें की 13 जाण आमी जेन्ना जिखले आमी बसले थिंगा वचोन पार्टीच्या ऑफिसान आमी म्हटलें की गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करपाचो म्हणून आनी मनोहर पर्रीकरूय थिंगा आसलो सो डायरेक्ट तो म्हणलो आमी जेन्ना ताका विचारलें की आर यू रेडी टू कम डावन ही सेड येस
formality.
whether it is formality or whether it is
You have to admit, you are very honest, you are very frank.
formality means he was ready.
Earlier only, पयलीच डिसाइड जाल्ले.
आमचे 13 नंबर येयले तेन्ना डिसाइड जावप
अच्छा पयली डिसाइड
कशें जावप ते डिसाइड
अनाउन्समेंट कशी जाली तर की पयली आंबाल वयल्यान हाडटा तांकां कळयल्ले पार्सेकर जोरतलो म्हणून.
तेंचे कडेन रिमोट आसलो कितें
You never know because Parsekar again we are coming back to the same question.
No.
Like I'm just trying to make a point. Parsekar हालींच म्हणपाक लागलो की आपल्याक खबर आशिल्लें आपल्याक उडोवपाक कोण कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसा.
उडोवपाक तशें कोणाकूच जायना. दिस इज टोटली रॉंग थिंकिंग ऑफ मिस्टर पार्सेकर. इफ यू आर डिलिव्हरिंग टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा फर्स्ट गोवा युअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी यू कॅनॉट फॉल.
सो पार्सेकरान डिलिव्हर करूं ना म्हणून पडलो. पार्सेकरान डिलिव्हर करूं ना म्हणून पडलो.
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी ही हॅज नॉट डिलिव्हर्ड टू हीज पीपल. डिलिव्हरी म्हणजे कितें पयशे न्हू. डिलिव्हरी मिन्स तेंकां पयलो रिस्पेक्ट. तुका इगो आसपाक जायना. यू हॅव टू वॉक विथ द पीपल. यू हॅव टू सीट विथ दोज पीपल your constituency people and you have to do what is right for them.
Parsekar had ego.
No, he must have had some differences with the people.
So now
otherwise he wouldn't have lost with 7,000 margin. Let us be very frank. He lost with 7,000 margin.
तो म्हणटा तुम्ही बीजेपीन ताका उडोवपा खातीर हे सगळे
7,000 वोटांनी बीजेपी is going to work against him for 7,000 votes. If I tell this student something and they think that it is wrong, whatever I am saying, will they agree to me and vote for somebody else which I am talking? No.
We'll come
so
to this.
People of the constituency, 7,000 people decided to throw Lakshmikant Parsekar out of active politics.
Okay, we'll come to this. एक short break घेता on this. You are watching Prime Rajkaran. We have with us Michael Lobo, Calangute MLA as our guest. We are heading for a short break and we will be back after few seconds.
This is Info Media Prime Slot Network, and you're watching Prime. Your voice, your channel.
नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां परत एकदा तुमी पळयतात प्रायम राजकारण. आमचे बरोबर आसा मायकल लोबो, कळंगूटचे आमदार. पार्सेकरा बद्दल एक 2 सेकंड परत विचारतात. तुम्ही म्हटलें ही फेल्ड बिकॉज ही कुडंट डिलिव्हर टू हिज ओन पीपल. सो वॉट एवर पार्सेकर इज सेईंग रायट नाव यू ओगीच तो दुसऱ्याचेर घालता बगलाट घालता.
Once you lose an election or once you lose a student fails, she cannot blame her parents, her friends or anybody. She has to blame herself. So Parsekar has to blame himself for his own defeat. He cannot blame anybody else because he had a political party behind him, that is Bharatiya Janata Party, where he won 2 terms. 2 term continuous जिंकला तो 3 term continuous जिंकला. So people had faith on him. आणि चीफ मिनिस्टर झाले काय फेल गेलो काय. That means तो डिलिंक झालो लोकांमध्ये. He got delinked. Now सपोजींग आम्ही 500 जाण वांगडा आहा, ऑटोमॅटिकली तू डिलिंक जाता आणि वयता आमच्या वांगडा नाच तू आणि मागीर लास्टाक म्हणटा आमी सोडले म्हणटा. आमी सोडूंक ना, तू सोडून गेलो.
पार्सेकारान सोडले लोकांक
त्या खातीर लोकांनी ताका सोडलो.
ओके फुडलो आरो.
Third allegation on you is you are anti-government and want to be in a limelight.
Always anti-government mentality we can see. Now again you will say for the sake of people, but again we have seen.
Why should I be anti-government? Let us be very fair on this. I am part of the government. I am the chairman of PDA, Solid Waste Management Corporation as a director. I am running the plant right now in absence of Manohar Parrikar. I am handling all those things. What is that government has not given me that I have to be anti-government?
I'll tell you what.
If you are anti-government,
if you are anti-government, you get limelight. See, I'll tell you the sequence. Example, Lita, you can defend yourself.
Okay.
Garbage is a problem, Zalo. The garbage problem you could have discussed with Babu Asgaonkar.
We discussed.
Okay, solve down. You could have discussed with CM. You discussed.
I went and I discussed.
Yes.
See, that problem should not come. Understand one simple thing. That is our bread. आयज जर गोंयचो लोक बरे शीत जेयता नुस्तें खाता कितें एड्युकेशनाक पयशे भुरग्यांक दिता 60% पॉप्युलेशन ह्या बिझनसाचेर जगता. ह्या बिझनसाचेर आहा. मे बी 10% इज अब्रॉड. म्हणजे दोज their husbands or brothers or sisters, they are abroad working. गोयान आनी खंयचो धंदो आहा तूं सांग.
My question is different.
That cannot be an excuse that
intentions are right. Intentions are right, but
कोणे तरी उलोवपाक जाय.
Sequence सांगता sequence. You spoke to Babu Asgaonkar आणि सीएमाक मेळच्या पयलीं मिडिया कडेन आयलो.
No.
Yes.
I said that CM has given me appointment today evening.
मग ते कितें मिडिया सांगपाक जाय.
मिडियाक सांगपाक न्हू. मिडियान हांवें प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतला की हें चल्लां पळय तें रॉंग म्हणून. And because of that, Chief Minister called me and he corrected it.
No, you took.
He has corrected it. No, let us be very frank. He has corrected. If nobody had to speak, I waited for 3 days. So what do you expect me? No, what do you expect me to wait? I am from the coastal belt. I did not fight for my constituency. I fought for entire Goa. Garbage was lying for 3 days.
So you mean to the CM acts only when it comes on?
No. On 4th day, I took a press conference. So how many days do you want me to wait?
You could have waited to meet CM and then address a press conference.
Wrong. Totally wrong.
म्हणजे सीएम फक्त मिडियाचेर आयला आयकता अशें म्हणटात.
अशें कित्याक तर तेणे पयलेच दिसा हें सिट्युएशन एरायज करूंक दिवंक पानासलें.
मिडियाचेर आयले म्हणून
नो एरायज करूंक दिवंक पाना. These things cannot happen because this is part of our industry. It is an industry. We are all making money on that.
What I am asking,
we are living on that.
What I am asking you could have.
3 दीस जाले. चौथे दिसा हांवें केला. म्हाजे हिसपान हांव 3 दीस रावलो. डायरेक्टराक फोन केलो, जीटीडीसी चेअरमॅनाक फोन केलो, सगळ्यांक फोन केले, मिनिस्टराक फोन केलो, सगळ्यांक फोन केले. चीफ सेक्रेटरीक मेवलो वचोन. I went and met the chief secretary in his cabin. He said, I'll put it in place. Secretary tourism, I'll put it in place. Nobody is putting it in place. Nobody is interested.
So CM
कितें करप?
CM
कितें करप? CMाक मागीर वचोन मेवचो पडलो म्हाका कित्याक ताणें आपयलो म्हाका. I took his appointment 3 days before the day they stopped lifting garbage. I phoned him. I phoned his secretary and I said, I need to meet CM on this subject. Said CM will put that in place. 3 days it did not fall in place. 4th day I had to go and meet him.
Before that
what happened?
Address media.
I had to address. No. I had to address. People have to know that we are fighting for them and not for आमची constituency.
Precisely limelight an येवपा खातीर.
limelight an कितें घेवपाक जाय? limelight an अशें आमी तुम्ही धाडटा आमकां लायमलायटार
यू डू ऑल दीस थिंग म्हणून येता लायमलायटान.
तू सांग म्हाका ओके आय हॅड नॉट टू फायट देन वॉट आसून आहली गार्बेज थिंगा.
You could have gone to CM next day and then address a press conference.
CM first day I called him.
Solve the problem आणि आपण केला क्रेडिट मेळचे ना म्हणून मिडियाकडे गेला.
ना 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 इम्पॉसिबल. असले एका पॉलिटिकल मायलेज घेवपाची गरजूच ना. हे जावंकूच उपकारना. त्या खातीर म्हणटा आय एम फायटिंग फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. वाय ऑपोजिशन डीड नॉट ब्रिंग दीस टॉपिक. दे टू ब्रिंग दीस टॉपिक नो. आय केप्ट क्वायट फॉर 3 days. हांव खंयच्याच मिडिया कडेन उलोवंक ना 3 दीस. म्हणजे कितले दीस उलोवपाचें न्हू. सांग म्हाका तू सांग.
कोस्टल बेल्टान
you are a journalist.
कोस्टल बेल्टान नो.
You are a journalist. You tell me.
Okay. Given a chance, I would not speak to media. I would go to CM, solve the problem. You are bringing bad repute to one.
तू आता कितें म्हणूंक सोदता की सीएम सेक्रेटरीएटान बसलो आमी दार ओपन करून वचपाचें म्हणून.
ना फोन करून
आमी फोन करून पयल्याच दिसा सांगले तेका. तेणे म्हाका 4थ्या दिसा आपयलो कित्याक तेका कळलें हें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जायना म्हणून. सो ही अंडरस्टूड वॉट आय हॅव टू से फर्स्ट. ही अंडरस्टूड वॉट वॉज द प्रॉब्लम.
So second,
he was told something else.
Okay, one more. Why I am alleging something. आरोप कित्याक घालता ते. दिल्ली वचून आयले तू आणि मागीर म्हणपा लागलो when he was in AIMS. CM was in AIMS. म्हणपा लागलो की लोकांक एम्प्लॉयमेंट ना हांगा
अजुनूय म्हणटा केन्ना म्हणोंक ना. केन्ना म्हणोना. You tell me, I brought this topic when we first got elected. I said you had stopped all the recruitment in August 2016, September 2016, end of August. Order came in September 2016. Today is what? September 2018 झाले. म्हणजे 2 वर्सां जाली रिक्रुटमेंट तुम्ही बंद केला. आणि टिचरीचे पोस्ट घातले. एक अकाउंटंटाचे पोस्ट घातले 50. म्हणजे सगळे हे भुरगे शिकता पळय ते सगळे बोटे सगळे फेल झाले. 8,000 भुरगे भितर गेले एग्जामीक आणि 8,000 फेल जावन भायर सरता
अकाउंटंट.
हय म्हणजे आमी सगळे गोंयकार बोटे अशें हांव म्हणटा. अशें कोण म्हणटा. अशें ते जे कोण शिक्षक जे पास करपी पेपर ते म्हणटा.
So basically we are saying the same thing. You are anti-government.
I am not anti-government. See again you are talking the same thing. I am talking for the people, man. Those 50 posts would have been filled today. No. Those 50 posts would have been filled today. And 50 people, unemployed people of Goa would have been employed. This is what I am trying to say.
So what I am trying.
So is this anti-government?
Yeah, it is against.
How it can be anti-government? अरे government is of the people. या लोकांचं सरकार, या भुरग्यांचं सरकार, यांच्या मायपान मत घालून हे सरकाराक हाडला. कशें म्हणटा तूं एंटी पीपल म्हणून. ना 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 आय एम
गव्हर्नमेंट काम करता.
सी आय टेल यू वन सिंपल थिंग. 50 youth cannot fail for this exam. I brought it to the notice of the chief minister that this is totally wrong what is being done. It is injustice to the people of Goa. I am fighting for that.
Okay, so now in nutshell, आता going back to 2017, तुम्ही CM हाडलो कित्याक because he knows to deliver.
Yeah.
2018, you are blaming the same CM for not doing anything.
See, I'll tell you something. There must be certain circumstances which have stopped him from doing this.
What circumstances?
I don't know. That is why I want to become chief minister to see what are the circumstances. तू जे म्हणटा ते हांव ते खोदेलीर बसोंक सोदता आनी पळोवंक सोदता की बाबा हें जावंक जाता वा जायना. 50 भुरगे कित्याक फेल जाले ते हांव जाणा जावंक सोदता.
But according to you, what could be the circumstances?
I don't know. We will have to ask either the chief minister or those people who have failed them. How 8,000 students who entered the exam and failed. I am talking on unemployment.
I'm not talking.
Why the jobs are not coming out?
So my question.
Now my question is that only to our government. Why the jobs are not coming out?
Ask CM.
No, why ask CM?
You have direct access to CM. आमकां पळोवपाकूच मेळना हांगा तो.
तेतूच सांगले म्हाका तेणे आपणे सगळे फायली क्लियर केल्या. 1,800 भुरग्यांक नोकरी आहा म्हणून DGP सांगता, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलीस सांगता, वी वॉन्ट 1,800 कॉन्स्टेबल्स. आय हॅव क्लियर्ड फ्रॉम माय साइड. द चीफ मिनिस्टर आउट ऑफ दॅट 900 तेणे क्लियर केले. म्हणजे 900 पेंडिंग जाल्ले 900 क्लियर केले. फायनान्सांनी क्लियर केले. आयज पासून येना एडवर्टिजमेंट.
कित्याक जायना?
आय डोंट नो. आय एम आस्किंग द पीपल ऑफ गोवा शूड आस्क.
Whom?
हांव 15 फावटी विचारले.
People of Goa should ask whom?
Of course, ask our government.
You.
They ask me. They have to ask all the ministers. They have to ask the MLAs. Go and ask.
कित्याक हे कोणा खातीर येवपाक जाय, ह्या भुरग्या खातीर ही शिकून फायदो कितें तर. जे कोण आयज 12th स्टँडर्ड केला आनी घरा तेका कॉन्स्टेबल जॉब मेळटलो. ही इज गोइंग टू गेट 30,000 सॅलरी एंड ही कॅन टेक केअर ऑफ हिज फॅमिली. हाऊ इज गोइंग टू टेक केअर ऑफ हिज फॅमिली?
एकूच विचारता, द गाय of a stature of a defense minister who can handle the entire defense portfolio, even hold surgical strikes in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, cannot handle a small state.
He can handle. I don't know what are the circumstances which has stopped him from doing all these things. These are small things. These are not major things. Employment is a continuous process. Today you are the chief minister, tomorrow I become the chief minister. I will deliver all these jobs. Has to go out. This has to be paid by the finance department. Salaries has to be paid. If we recruit, if we start the process today, देड वरस लागता तेका जॉबाक सॅलरी, फर्स्ट सॅलरी येवपाक. Supposing I recruit this girl as a means we start the process in any department. It takes nearly 12 months or 13 months for her to get the order to start the job. So that has to start today.
Okay, last allegation is someone last एकूच क्वेश्चन. That's a common citizen I'm asking. आमकां काय सीएम मेळपा मेळना हे सगळे प्रश्न आमी ताका विचारता आशिल्ले ना जाल्यार एज अ सिटीजन you can just call up a CM and ask him all these questions.
Baba, I sat with him that day for 15 minutes and I spoke this only what I'm talking to you.
Mike,
so he said I'm doing it. So I'm waiting like you only that he's doing it.
He's doing it.
तो म्हणता doing it no. तो म्हणता आपने सगळे क्लियर केले आता ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट येतले
जातले
तेकाच रावता हांव.
How long you'll wait?
I have to go back again today.
Okay.
Same questions. My questions are sarke yeah.
So you call CM
on mining issue is one question. On unemployment issue is another question. What are you doing for the state of Goa as far as our touristic state which is there to increase that? Your policies are not there म्हणून सांगता in place. Some few questions.
So your agenda is ready for
yeah, my agenda is always the same for him.
Okay.
Because it is not getting delivered.
Okay, there is a question to be asked.
My name is Wentliff Gray. I'm studying in my second year of law. My question for you is whether it would be right to say that by speaking out against the government, you risk giving a bad reputation to your party.
No, it is wrong. See, I am not talking against the government. I am talking for the people. What things needs to be done for the people. These are basic things. What I am asking is not rocket science. Is not to go on the moon or to go in some other planet. Giving 24 hours water supply to your house is your basic right. Giving you uninterrupted electricity is your basic right. This is what I am asking.
But
these are basic things. These are basic things which needs to be done and which a minister or the department has to work, which is not happening. This is why sometimes I fight. And some people think that I am fighting with the government. No, it's not fighting. It is my right as a legislator to bring it to the notice of the minister, of the department that these things are not delivered to the people of Goa, to that particular segment, to that ward.
Time is a shortage. Yeah. Last allegation.
Last allegation on you is your own people don't trust you.
Calangute morcha aata tuja against.
See, there is when you win an election, there is always another side of it. That is called an opposition, because they contested election and they were unsuccessful. And when they are unsuccessful, they have a group of people like 40-50 people. They always join hands and they say that okay, let us oppose whatever Michael Lobo is doing.
So you mean to say church was your opposition?
No, church is never our opposition. Church जेन्ना सांगता कोण कितें अशें चल्ला आखे हे काबार जातले, ओडीपी येत जाल्यार हे प्रॉब्लेम जातले, ते प्रॉब्लेम जातले. So church believes it and they bring it out.
Priests were out against you.
100%. I do not disagree to it. But I have answers to all those allegations. That is why I won second time. I won second time in Calangute on a BJP ticket. Understand that
Before
point.
we take the last question.
We will not do anything which is wrong for the people of our constituency.
Hello sir, my name is Michelle Culasso. I'm studying in the second year of BA LLB of Calangute College of Law. My question to you is, since everyone is against you, what do you think you can do to gain their confidence back?
See, I work for the people of Goa, I work for the people of my constituency. There will be always a segment of people who will be your opposition. So you do not, you don't have to back answer them. You don't have to get angry on them. You got to only simply smile at them. not a artificial smile, a natural smile, and win their hearts. And you got to do something which is right. If you are doing something wrong, that is why they are shouting that what I am going to do is wrong. You have to do right. And if you know, your heart says, your conscience says that you are doing right, do not come under pressure of
Okay,
those
don't minta उरल्या so, but we have never seen you smiling. पहिले तर काढून बाबूशा दिले गोवा. This is not right. Because
you are saying that I am not smiling.
I can tell you, greater pension PDA झाले तुका राग आयलो.
Greater pension PDA I have not opposed. Okay, let us be.
Vijay, but you are not okay with Babush. प्रत्येक तुका राग येता. So how?
Which Babush?
Babush Monserrat.
Now what you are saying is wrong. Babush Monserrat is not part of our
GPPDA.
No, he is a
you
chairman.
Are against him.
See,
you told us in interview ki naka आपले इतले बाकी तक दीता parts दीता. I don't trust CM anymore. Madraga.
No, he is not part of this assembly. He may be part of Goa Forward Party, which I have got no connection with right now. Let us see in the near future. So personal enmity is not there. Politically, everybody has to see what is good for the people of Goa, what is good for the working.
Was GPPDA was good for Goa?
That is the political decision made by Goa Forward Party. Not
Goa Forward Party or
not
your mentor Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar.
So you will have to personally ask him. तुका औरता देशी. Personally, next week I will see that I will take you to him.
You are on record right now.
Yes, 100%. So औरत पढ़ला तुका तू इशार देगा.
So back to the issues की again last 1 minute उल्ला म्हणून. Many people don't like you because you are planning in such a way that they doubt you, they don't trust you.
I told you, I have got political opponents who always don't want me to do anything in Calangute, but still we have done.
So you are going to win their heart by smiling. Gandhi
Smile at them.
Smile at them.
कुछ नहीं बोलना है उसके against. Do not talk anything against them.
If we have to provoke you right now, you would speak. But
No. Never. I do not have enemies. I have political opponents who don't want me to do many works in Calangute.
Okay.
Which will they will be wiped out from the minds of the people if I complete those works which are in my mind.
Okay. Verdict finally you have to be discharged from this.
Mr. Michael Lobo, as you have defended all the charges upon you, you are therefore discharged from all the charges.
You're discharged from all the charges. Thank you very much for joining us on the show. You are watching Prime Rajkaran on your favorite channel Prime. Every Wednesday at 9 o'clock in the evening we bring the fresh episode of this show. You can also watch this show on YouTube channel. Keep watching Prime.
Thank you.